Hello, Zach Yelton here with your February 2019 landscape maintenance update. Over the last month, our landscape maintenance teams have been working hard to prune your properties, get ornamental trees, crepe myrtles, perennial flowers, and ornamental grasses pruned on your properties. We have been working very hard with our teams on getting a consistent look. When you see a property that Coastal Shores maintains, we want you to see a consistent look throughout all of our properties, and we've been working hard on that with our teams. And we teach them about proper pruning cuts, proper pruning techniques, what to look for, how to correct a plant that maybe has been pruned improperly in the past. And what we want to do, the goal there, is to set up those plants for the best success possible coming out of dormancy into the growing season. So crepe myrtles have been pruned. Most of them have been pruned by now on your properties. If not, you will see those done very shortly. Ornamental grasses, of all different kinds. We've got several different varieties here in the Low Country. We've been working on getting those done as well, and throughout the month of February we'll be finishing that up. Things like roses and other perennials, tender perennials that flower throughout the season will also be cut back during this month. One way that we're really finding a lot of success with our teams is our Thursday morning meetings. We designate an hour here on Thursday mornings to do a safety and a training meeting with our guys, and we find that they buy in, really have a lot of good team building opportunities during those times, training on different techniques and things that we want to stress for the way we do things out there in the field. So that is a great win for us and our team, and a good opportunity for us to grow together. As Rob said, this is a great time of year to schedule projects, project work that you may want to have done, enhancements. Great time of year to plant things, trees and shrubs alike. This is a really good time of year to do that. So if you've been thinking about something, setting aside some funds to maybe do some improvements in your yard, reach out to us and get that scheduled. This is a great time of year to do that. Mulch, other things would include what we call rejuvenation pruning. Rejuvenation pruning is cutting back a really tall and overgrown plant or hedge of plants that is 10, 15 years old, and maybe it's time to give that some new life. You want to bring it back down to a size that's a little more maintainable. This is a great time of year to do that. Right ahead of the growing season, you cut those things down hard and they'll flush back out with some nice new growth and be much thicker and just really a brand new hedge by the middle of the growing season. So things like that are a great time. This is a great time of year to do. If you have any questions about that, I would be happy to meet with you on site and discuss how we can implement those practices to make your property better. Again, thank you so much for listening. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out with me. I hope I connect with each one of you here in the month of February, and thanks for watching.